Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and in today's video, very straightforward, we're going to talk about the SIM card, how you put them in, and how you can put two in there. Okay, let's jump straight into it. So first things first, you're going to need the SIM ejector that came inside your box, that little thing there. And all you do is on the bottom of your phone, you stick it in this hole here on the left hand side, not the one on the right. Yeah, some people do that. So wang it in, pull it out, and job done. On your SIM card, the actual slot, it will tell you this is SIM number 1 and the other side is SIM number 2. Now you can choose which one you want to put in either side. For me, I normally put my main SIM card in SIM 1 and then another one in SIM number 2. So let me stick this one in here really quickly. And then let's stick in the second one on there as well. Job done. We've now got two SIM cards. One on this side, one on the other side. When you put it back in, make sure the little hole is to the left hand side. Slap it in there like that. Make sure it's nice and flush in there. Then on your phone, you want to go to the settings. So all you do is swipe down, click to your setting icon, then go to connections. Within connections, you want to go to SIM card manager and you'll have both of them here. So in my case, I've got number 1 is Virgin, number 2 is 3. As you can see there, the SIM card network 3 and Virgin. You can rename these whatever you'd like. So just tap into it and you can name it. You can change the icons as well. Cool, right? Let's go back out of there. Let's go back. That's it. That's both SIM cards in there. You can then do some other settings here if you want to go through them. But that is it. That is how you put two SIM cards, two different network SIM cards in your brand new Galaxy S21. S21 Plus or the S21 Ultra. How cool is that? Anyway people, if you have any questions with regards to this or anything else, you know what to do by now. Hit me in a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button, it is very much appreciated. And go on, subscribe. Boom. It's free. Anyway people, once again, thank you for watching and you'll see me. Well, you won't see me, but you'll see these puppies and you'll hear this voice in my next one. Cheers everyone.